Hey y'all, welcome to Sidewynders shed. Now I've been working on that transmission for my old Dodge, but also in this last video too, I mentioned I had to go out and do some other projects. One of them was I had to put a new screen door on the house. No, I haven't painted the trim yet, but I got the screen door up. Not that big of a deal. And here, I'm going to show you the old screen door. There's parts of it right there. And there's the other part. And that's all there is to it. I didn't throw anything away yet. That's all that's left. Is that. Oh, I'm sorry. And the windows. Alright, the other thing I did too, here's my poor old truck. You know, I'm working on the transmission. There's the poor old truck sitting there. But the other thing I had to come out and do is we painted the camper, or I painted the camper. Got tired of the white on the new siding. I'll show you. I only got 2 sides of it done. So this is the homemade, for those that don't know, this is the homemade pop-up, hard-sided pop-up camper. It slides on the back of the truck. Those are the jacks right there that lift it up so I can back the truck under it. And like I said, it raises up because, well, here I'll go back over on the other side. Oh yeah, I got one part on the back done, but as you can see, right here is where the air conditioner goes. And let me open that up. You know, this is the bottom half of the camper. This top half raises up so that you can stand up inside of it. Now when I'm traveling, it's lowered down for less wind resistance and more stability. On the back here, that's these two things. This is the water drain, and this is to hook up to the you know, like house water. You just put a hose in it. The inside of it is a mess at the moment. I don't even know if you can see much in here, but yeah, we got a fridge. In here is the toilet, counter space. This is what it looks like when it's down. And in there is a sink. Like I said, I've been working on this too. And of course the bed and everything. And underneath there is some storage, as well as a 25-gallon water tank. Those black poles right there, that's actually what raises it up. Linear actuators. And I need 2 hands to raise it up. Because I need to push 2 buttons at once, and I can't do it with one hand. And I have another linear actuator right there. And another linear actuator right there. And they run off a 12-volt battery. Anyway, like I said, I haven't been just working on the transmission. I also work a 70-hour-a-week job as well. So trying to get everything done is it's kind of crazy. Oh, and I got a pile of wood here for a deck I have to build for the pool. But like I said, life gets in the way. Busy, busy, busy. Yeah, the grandkids were over too, and so they were running around out front. But anyway, just thought I'd kind of show a few of the other projects. Yeah, the front yard's a mess as well as the back, but just figured I'd share that with y'all. Just you know, life happens. You got stuff you got to do. So y'all take care, and thank everyone for subscribing and following me. Y'all take care. Have a good evening.